Hi, welcome to my journey. This is Miss Carr and I am inviting you to learn with me. Are you ready? Let's go! Okay, so today we will answer some word problems and we will apply our skills and knowledge about the four basic operations in real life scenarios. Okay? Okay, so we will use these steps in problem solving. First, the question is what is asked? Second, what are the given? So, titingnan natin yung mga number na nandun. Next, what operation should be used? So, basically, malalaman natin siya based on the keywords. Fourth, what is the number sentence? So, we will write the expression. Last, we will solve it and show our solution with correct label. Okay? Word problem number 1. Bobby starts with 73 erasers. He gives 15 to Anne. How many erasers does Bobby end with? Alright, so let's use these steps to solve this problem. First, what is asked? So this is the question, how many erasers does Bobby end with? Or ilan na lang yung eraser ni Bobby? Okay? What are the given? So we have 73 erasers and then 15 erasers na binigay niya kay Anne. What operation should we use? Since ang clue natin is he gives 15 to Anne, so nagbigay siya, it means nabawasan. So the operation that we will use is subtraction. What is the number sentence? Since it's subtraction, so it means 73 minus 15. Okay, then let's solve it. Alright, so we have here 73 minus 15. And the answer is 58. So, ibig sabihin, meron na lang 58 erasers si Bobby. If you want to double check that, just add yung 58 na natira kay Bobby at yung ibinigay niya kay Anne. And then you'll get 73 erasers, which is yan yung original na number ng erasers ni Bobby. Okay? Word problem number 2. There are 64 tickets in each box. How many tickets are in 41 boxes? So let's use these steps. So we have first what is asked. So ito hanapin natin how many tickets are in 41 boxes. What are the given? So first we have 64 tickets in each box and 41 boxes. What operation should be used? So, since we're asking kung ilan yung ticket sa 41 na boxes, so, since kada isang box is 64, so we have 41 boxes, so we will multiply it. So, the operation that we will use is multiplication. Kasi hahanapin natin kung ilan lahat yung ticket sa 41 na boxes kung kada isang box is 64 tickets. Okay? So what is the number sentence? So since multiplication, our expression now or number sentence is 64 times 41. Then let's solve it. Alright, so we have here 64 times 41 and then we'll get 2,624 tickets. Alright, so kung gagamitin nyo yung grouping, like i-multiply nyo muna yung 64 sa 1, and then i-multiply nyo yung 64 sa 40, then if you add their products, you'll get the same answer na 2,624. Okay, so our answer is 2,624 tickets. So yan yung total na tickets sa 41 boxes. Okay? Word problem number 3. There are 28 students in the class and 1,316 blocks. If the blocks are divided equally among the students, how many does each student get? Alright, so let's use these steps to answer these problem. First, what is asked? So, tinatanong is, how many does each student get? So, ilan daw yung blocks na nakuha ng bawat estudyante? Blocks, ito yung pag naglalaro ka ng Lego or something like that. Next is what are the given? So we have 28 students and 1,300 blocks. Number 3, what operation should be used? So since ang tinatanong is ilan yung nakuha ng bawat estudyante, alright, each student, and yung keyword pa natin is divided equally, so it's obvious na ang operation natin is division. Okay? Next, what is the number sentence or expression? So since it's division, so our expression is 1,316 divided by 28. Then let's solve. Alright, so we have here 1,316 divided by 28 and the answer is 47. So it means merong 47 blocks kada student. Okay? So to solve it, it will be like this. And para ma-check mo kung tama ang sagot mo, just multiply the quotient and the divisor. And dapat ang lalabas na sagot is yung dividend mo. Okay? Word problem number 4. If there are 42 apples in a box and put 6 more apples inside, how many apples are in the box? So let's use the steps. First, what is asked? So our problem is how many apples are in the box. Second, what are the given? So we have 42 apples and 6 more apples na nilagay ni Anne sa loob. Third, what operation should be used? So since ang keyword natin is more apples, so ibig sabihin, madadagdagan, so our operation is addition. Next, what is the number sentence or the expression? Since addition ang gagamitin natin, so that would be 42 plus 6. Okay, so let's solve. Alright, so we have here 42 plus 6. So it means we have 48 apples inside the box. Okay? Word problem number 5. Kyle removes 13 tickets from a jar. There were originally 52 tickets in jar. How many tickets are left in jar? So let's use the steps. First, what is asked? So the problem is how many tickets are left in jar? Second, what are the given? So the given is 13 tickets and 52 tickets na originally na nandun sa jar. Third, what operation should we use? Since the question is how many tickets are left or yung natira. So this is our keyword. Another is Kyle removes 13 tickets. So tinanggal. So ibig sabihin kung nagtanggal ka, nabawasan ka, so our operation is subtraction. Okay? What is the number sentence or the expression? Since subtraction, so we have yung original na 52 tickets minus yung 13 tickets. Alright, then let's solve. Alright, so we have here 52 minus 13 and the answer is 39. So it means meron lang 39 tickets na nandun sa jar. Okay? So if we want to check it, we'll just gonna add the 39 and yung 13 na tinanggal ni Kyle. Alright? So if you're gonna do that, then you have the original 52 tickets. Alright? Word problem number 7. There are 7 erasers, 72 erasers more added. How many are there in total? So let's use this to answer this problem. So first, what is asked? So the question is how many are there in total? Second, what are the given? So we have 7 erasers and then 72 erasers more added. Next, what operation should be used? Since ang keyword natin is yung total at saka yung more added, so we will going to add, alright? What is the number sentence or expression? So we have 7 plus 72 or 72 plus 7. Then let's solve. Alright, so we have here 7 plus 72, so we have 79. So it means we have 79 erasers in total. Word problem number 8. Earl has 48 erasers. Alwyn has 8 erasers. If Alwyn gives all his erasers to Earl, how many erasers will Earl have? So let's use these steps to answer this problem. So first, what is asked? So the question is how many erasers will Earl have? Second, what is the given? So we have 48 erasers and 8 erasers na binigay ni Alwin. Third, what operation should be used? So since the question is how many erasers will Earl have, so the total. And then the key word here is that Alwin gives all his erasers to Earl. So ibig sabihin, nakatanggap si Earl ng erasers from Alwin. So ibig sabihin, nadagdagan yung erasers niya. So the operation that we will use is addition. Next, what is the number sentence or the expression? So since it's addition, so we have 48 plus 8. Then let's solve. Alright, so we have here 48 plus 8. So the answer is 56. So it means Earl has 56 erasers. Word problem number 10. Joshua starts with 35 peanuts. He loses 7. How many peanuts does Joshua end with? So let's use these steps. First, what is asked? So the question is, how many peanuts does Joshua end with? Or ilan na lang daw yung peanuts ni Joshua? Second, what are the given? So we have 35 peanuts and then 7 na nawala. Third, what operation should be used? So, since we're talking about kung ilan na lang yung natira, and then yung keyword na he loses 7, so ibig sabihin our operation is subtraction. What is the number sentence or expression? So, since subtraction ang gagamitin natin, so that would be 35 minus 7. Then let's solve. Alright, so we have here 35 minus 7, and the answer is 28. Therefore, meron na lang 28 peanuts si Joshua. So if you want to double check that, just add the 28 and yung 7 na nawala, and the answer will be 35. So yan yung original number ng peanuts ni Joshua. Word problem number 11. Edzo went to the store 87 times last month. He buys 34 marbles each time he goes to the store. How many marbles did Edzo buy last month? So let's use these steps to answer the problem. First, what is asked? So the question is, how many marbles did Edzo buy last month? Or ilan lahat yung nabili ni Edsel last month na marbles? Second, what are the given? So we have 87 times siyang pumupunta doon sa store last month. And then 34 marbles ang binibili niya each time he goes to the store. Next, what operation should be used? So since ang keyword natin dyan is each time, bumibili siya ng 34 marbles sa store and 87 times siyang pumunta sa store last month. So ibig sabihin, the operation that we will use is multiplication. What is the number sentence or the expression? So since multiplication, that would be 87 times 34. Then let's solve. We have here 87 times 34. So the answer is 2,958. If you want to make that in grouping, so you can multiply it first dun sa ones place, that is 4, and sa tens place, that is 30. Kapag pinag-add mo yung product nila, you'll get the same answer, 2,958. So in short, ito yung number ng total na marbles ni Edsel last month. Okay? Word problem number 12. Each child has 19 candies. If there are 70 children, how many candies are there in total? So let's use these steps. So first we have what is asked. So the question is, how many candies are there in total? Second, what are the given? So we have 19 candies sa bawat bata, and there are 70 children. Next, what operation should be used? So since ang hinahanap natin is yung total ng candies, kung merong 70 children at kada isa is merong 19 candies, so ibig sabihin we will use multiplication to get the total. Next, what is the number sentence? So since multiplication ang gagamitin, so our expression is 19 times 70. Then let's solve. So we have here 70 times 19, then we get 1,330. So, ibig sabihin, yung total ng candies sa 70 children ay 1,330 candies. Okay? So, if you want to use the grouping to solve it, You just need to add their product, then you'll get the same answer, 1,330. Word problem number 13. Joyce has 12 boxes of pencils. Each box holds 49 pencils. How many pencils does Joyce have? So let's use these steps. So first we have what is asked. So the question is, how many pencils does Joyce have? Second, what are the given? So we have 12 boxes of pencils and each box holds 49 pencils. So ibig sabihin, merong 12 na boxes at bawat box merong 49 pencils sa loob. What operation should be used? So since ang keyword natin dyan ay each box holds 49 pencils at meron tayong 12 boxes, so para malaman natin yung total na pencils natin, we need to multiply. Okay? And what is the number sentence? So since multiplication ang gagamitin, that is 12 times 49. Then let's solve. So we have here 12 times 49 and then we'll get 588. So ibig sabihin, 588 pencils yung total na nandun sa 12 boxes. Okay? So if you want to use the grouping, so you'll just need to add the products and then you'll get the same answer, 588. Word problem number 14. Ron Christian has 45 boxes of apples. Each box holds 97 apples. How many apples does Ron Christian have? So let's use these steps. First, what is asked? So the question is, how many apples does Ron Christian have? O yung total na apple na meron siya. Second, what are the given? So we have 45 boxes of apples. And each box holds 97 apples. So, meron tayong 45 boxes daw ng apple and bawat box doon, merong 97 apples. Next, what operation should be used? So, since ang clue natin dyan is each box and hinahanap natin yung total na apples ni Ron Christian, so we will use multiplication. What is the number sentence or expression? So since multiplication, that would be 45 times 97. Then let's solve. Alright, so we have here 45 times 97. Then we have 4,365. So ibig sabihin, dun sa 45 na boxes, ang total ng apples ni Ron Christian is 4,365 apples. Okay? So if you want to do this in groupings, just again add the products, then you'll get the same answer, 4,365. Word problem number 15. There are 4 students in the class and 28 apples. If the apples are divided equally among the students, how many does each student get? So let's use these steps to answer this problem. First, what is asked? So the question is, how many does each student get? Or ilan daw yung nakuha ng bawat estudyante? Second, what are the given? So we have 4 students in the class and then 28 apples. What operation should be used? So since ang keyword natin dyan is divided equally, so it's obvious na ang operation is division. What is the number sentence or expression? So since division, that would be 28 divided by 4. Then let's solve. Alright, so we have here 28 na apples and nag-divide natin sa 4 na estudyante. So ibig sabihin, kada estudyante, imagine, ito yung mga estudyante natin na 4, bawat isa ay makakakuha ng 7 na apples. Okay? Word problem number 16. EJ is inviting 3 friends to a party. He has 18 cookies. How many cookies will each friend get? So let's use the steps. First, what is asked? So the question is, how many cookies will each friend get? Or ilan daw yung cookies kada friend? Second, what are the given? So we have 3 friends and then 18 cookies. Third, what operation should be used? So since ang keyword natin dyan is each friend, so bawat isa, so ibig sabihin, ang operation na gagamitin natin is division. Kasi hahatiin natin sa tatlong friends. Next, what is the number sentence or expression? So since division, that would be 18 divided by 3. Then let's solve. Alright, so yung 18 na cookies, hinati natin sa tatlong friends. So bawat isa makakakuha ng 6 na cookies. Word problem number 17. There are 4 students in the class and 20 oranges. If the oranges are divided equally among the students, how many does each student get? So let's use the steps to solve the problem. First, what is asked? How many does each student get? So, ilan daw ang nakuha ng bawat isang student? Second, what are the given? So we have 4 students and 20 oranges. Third, what operation should be used? So since sinabi na dito na divided equally and each student, so ang operation natin is division. What is the number sentence or expression? So since division, that would be 20 divided by 4. Then let's solve. Alright, so we have 20 oranges and hinati siya sa 4 na estudyante. So, bawat isa makakukuha ng 5 oranges. Word problem number 18. Kyla has 20 pencils stored in boxes. If there are 5 boxes, how many pencils must go in each box? So, let's use these steps to answer this problem. So, we have first, what is asked? So, the question is, how many pencils must go in each box? So, ilan daw yung pencil na mapupunta sa bawat box? Second, what are the given? So, we have 20 pencils and 5 boxes. Alright? Third, what operation should be used? So, since ang keyword natin dyan is each box, so, ang gagawin nating operation is division. Since meron tayong 20 pencils in total at meron tayong 5 boxes. Okay? So, what is the number sentence? So, we have 20 divided by 5. Then, let's solve. Alright, so we have here 20 pencils in total. And then, nahatiin natin siya sa 5 boxes. Okay? So, bawat isang box, merong 4 na pencils. Word problem number 19. Janina is inviting 8 friends to a party. She has 24 cookies. How many cookies will each friend get? So let's use this step. What is asked? The question is how many cookies will each friend get? So ilan daw yung makukuha ng bawat kaibigan niya na cookies? Second, what are the given? So we have 8 friends and 24 cookies. Third, what operation should be used? So since we're looking for the cookies for each friend, so we need to divide the 24 cookies by 8 friends. So the operation is division. What is the number sentence or expression? That is 24 divided by 8. Then let's solve. Alright, so we have here 24 cookies na hinati sa 8 friends ni Janina. So bawat isa makakakuha ng 3 cookies. Word problem number 20. Aaron had 66 gumballs. If Aaron gave equal numbers of gumballs to her 7 friends and then she ate what was left, how many gumballs did each person eat? So let's use the steps. First, what is asked? So the question is how many gumballs did each person eat? Second, what are the given? So we have 66 gumballs in total and then Aaron has 7 friends. Third, what operation should be used? So since the question is ilan yung gumballs na nakain ng bawat isa or kaibigan niya, so we will divide the 66 gumballs and the 7 friends. So the operation is division. What is the number sentence or expression? That is 66 divided by 7. Then let's solve. Alright, so we have here 66 gumballs na hatiin sa 7 na kaibigan ni Aaron. Alright? So, pag hinati yung gumballs, dapat equal. Okay? So, bawat isa makakatanggap ng 9 na gumballs. Alright? And, kung i-add mo lahat ng binigay niya, that would be 63. Eh, di ba 66 yung total ng gambles niya? So, ibig sabihin, may natira pang 4. So, yung 4 na yun yung kakainin ni Aaron. So, yung 4 doon, ang tawag ay remainder. Alright? Alright, so here makikita niyo yung mga keywords na pwede natin magamit sa word problems. So, kung hindi kayo sure kung anong operation yung gagamitin, you can just check it here. Okay? Practice time. So what I want you to do, guys, is I want you to answer all the word problems na sinagutan natin kanina. This is for you para masanay kayo magsagot ng word problems at makikita nyo kung nagiging mabilis ba kayo sa pagsagot. Kasi the more you practice, the more na mas naiintindihan nyo and nagiging familiar na kayo. So it helps you to answer these with lesser time. At the same time, magiging flexible pa kayo kasi mas makakaisip pa kayo ng ibang way to get the answer. Okay? I hope you participate.